Hey guys, how's it going? It's Q here. We're back with another Atlas Earth video today. So a couple of hours ago, the CEO of Atlas Realty and Atlas Earth posted a video. They posted a video on their YouTube channel. Very informative video. Definitely recommend you guys go watch it. A couple of things were mentioned. It was kind of like an update video actually. I kind of just wanted to give you guys my thoughts on it. I'm not gonna actually like reiterate what was said. I'm just gonna kind of talk about it and give my thoughts on it and what I think. Definitely recommend you guys want to go watch the video yourselves. I can put it in a link to the video in the description as well, so that way you guys can hear everything that was said. It wasn't a super long video, but just a couple of things were cleared up. There was a lot of good information in it. So definitely just kind of wanted to give my thoughts on it, just kind of talk about it right quick. So just from what I'm noticing right now, a couple of people feel a little about it, and then others are kind of like, oh, okay, I get it. So first of all, the CEO talked about the new diamond hunt feature that's going to be finally releasing in the next update. This is definitely something that I'm really excited about. Just being able to find the diamonds and being able to use the prize wheel to get more Atlas bucks. It's going to be very nice. More ways that we can actually get Atlas bucks are going to be great. Free Atlas bucks is great. So really looking forward to that. Definitely excited for that. So getting into, I guess, like the meat of the video and kind of what everybody's been talking about. So basically the free Atlas bucks in the shop. So he mentioned on the video that they're going to be increasing the timer that we basically like, okay, so right here, if I go to the shop, right, and hit this, when I'm done with it, there's going to be a timer. So after looking at the data, they've decided that they are going to increase the timer in between ads that we can watch. And basically it's going to be limited to about 3 ads that we can watch per hour. So at first, when I first heard this, I don't know why I heard it as 3 per day, but going back to watch the video, he actually said 3 per hour. So at first I was a little disappointed because I thought that it was going to be 3 per day, but 3 per hour is actually not bad, because if you do the math, let's just say 24 hours, even though people probably aren't going to do 24 hours, but let's just do the math of 24 hours, right? Bring out the trusty calculator. It's been a minute since I brought out the calculator, actually. So you get 2 Atlas bucks. So you get 2 Atlas bucks per ad that you watch, right? So they're limiting it to 3 ads per hour. You take 3, and then let's just say that you do a full day, so 24 hours. This isn't realistic because people aren't going to do it, but just for the sake of math, we're just going to do 24. So that's 72, right? Then we're going to take this and times it by another 2, and this is the amount of Atlas bucks that you can get in 24 hours. Now this is actually still fine with me, because honestly, every day I only do 100 bucks. Actually, that's only what I've been doing ever since it came out. I've only been making sure I do 100 bucks a day, to where I can at least get 1 parcel a day. Now I know there has been a bunch of people that's been doing a lot more than that all day. I personally don't have that much time to watch that many ads, but I do make sure that I watch at least enough to get 100 per day, right? So honestly, I don't, it's fine to me. I don't feel any type of way about it, honestly. Because when you put yourself in their shoes, I get it. And honestly, ever since the feature has came out, I kind of been saying that, it's quite generous considering how much the actual Atlas bucks cost. So I've definitely been feeling like if they kept it this way for forever, then I just feel like people would definitely feel no incentive to really actually pay for Atlas bucks. So that said, I knew eventually they would end up switching this up, and changing some things. So it kind of does suck for those who were watching a bunch of ads. I personally don't understand how you can watch hundreds and thousands of ads a day. I personally don't have enough time in the day for that, but obviously people were doing it. So yeah, for you guys it's gonna suck, but I mean, I feel like it's definitely fair and it makes sense, and I get it, to be honest. So yeah, being able to get at least a free parcel a day though, that's still good, so within days you can get within a month you can get 30 free parcels. That's not bad to me. That's still really good. So Yeah, I just kind of want to get my thoughts on that because I know some people are kind of feeling some type of way about it, and I understand. He did say that it's something that is going to happen within a week. So I guess if you guys, to all you guys who are really just, grinding out those ads, definitely go ahead and, yeah, go ahead and try to get as much as you can, I guess, because, yeah, in about a week, today's technically, right now it's 12 a.m., but the video came out Friday, so on the 14th of January, that's when So I guess moving a little further on what he said, he definitely said that it's not something that he's axing forever. And he called it early adopter benefit, but it's not going to be permanent. So I'm guessing it's something that's going to change. I think that it's something that, I don't know. We don't know. I mean, they could change their mind again. So I guess for right now, we'll see. But yeah, he definitely said that it's something that he doesn't plan on doing, asking for forever. So I don't know. Maybe they'll lift the restriction later on. We'll just have to see. But yeah, we'll see though. Something that he also mentioned that I thought was pretty cool that they'll be doing is he mentioned rent boost holidays, where, for example, there might be days where you might get like a 50x boost or something. I think that's pretty dope, honestly. Can't hate on that. I mean, that's cool, extra boosts, a bigger boost is really good. So that'd be pretty cool. And then he mentioned possibly doing that like once per month. So I was like, okay, that's cool. So definitely feeling good about that. And then the last thing, honestly, that I'll just talk about is I really love how he mentioned that they're researching ways into incorporating blockchain technology like crypto stuff, man. That right there is going to make this app like blow up. Like, it's gonna make it go to the moon, I promise you that. Like, because crypto, NFTs, all that stuff is huge. Like, it's huge. It's the future, is blowing up. And for this to be like with the metaverse, that's all it's missing right now. That is all it's missing. It's missing crypto blockchain integration. That is the only thing that this app is really missing, as far as like, because I know they have a lot of stuff that they already plan on doing. And that right there, once they figure out the whole blockchain thing, yeah, it's this thing is gonna like take off like crazy. So it's already doing very well. I'm still enjoying Atlas Earth a lot. It's growing a lot. He was saying that honestly, they didn't really expect for it to blow up so much and do so well as it did, but it's doing so well. And honestly, I could have kind of guessed it, because something like this is perfect for most people. People love passive income, especially passive income where you're just gaining money each second as the seconds go by. I mean, you can't beat that. So whether it's a lot, whether it's a little, I think it's something people who don't really see the value in that. It's like I don't know what kind of person you have to be to not really see the value in that. Sure, I mean, you can put your money into something and go make probably a lot more money, but there's going to be a lot more effort, and it might not be something that's as sustainable or as guaranteed as this is, at least for right now. I mean, we don't know how long this app is going to be around, I guess, in the future. To me, though, the future looks very bright for Atlas Earth, honestly. Just the simple fact that this is something that is literally going to be making you money as you, while you're sleeping, no matter what. To me, you can't really beat something like that. I don't know. I still love it, because there's all kind of ways that you can make money. You can go out and do stuff, but usually there's a lot of different ways to make money, but those ways usually require you to have either a lot of knowledge about something or put a lot of work and mental, brain power into it. So if you're just the kind of person that just wants money flowing in, though, regardless, you don't even have to look at it. You don't even have to do anything. This is something. And even though it's a game, even though it's not a lot, you're not going to get rich off of this. It's still something. And it's still something that you can do like this. So anyways, I'm really excited. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I just kind of wanted to make a video kind of giving my thoughts on it, on what was said. And I'm probably going to do another video. This video probably won't go up until Saturday morning, but Sunday I'll be doing another video on Atlas Earth as well. And you guys can already see my account right here, my money. I was going to talk to you guys about you know, how my account is doing and kind of give you guys the week 6 update as well, and kind of talk to you guys about some other stuff that I recently decided to do as well with Atlas Earth. So, and some other stuff that I found out actually. So definitely stay tuned for that. But you guys, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Appreciate all the love and support and stuff like that. We're on our way to 600. So man, always love you guys and appreciate you guys. And you know, to all the guys that's been showing love on Instagram and, you know, hitting me up in the DMs and stuff, appreciate you guys. You know, definitely love talking to you guys. Feel free to hit me up anytime, ask me any questions or whatever. Talk to me about anything, you know. I love talking to you guys and interacting with people and stuff. So yeah, appreciate that. Love you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one.